Hello and welcome to Crochet Smash. I made a small beanie cap for a newborn. It can be used for a newborn baby girl. I made this hat using the Paris Stich. That is where this beautiful texture comes from, by using the Paris Stich. The crown is made in double crochet. So let us start making a hat like this. So let us begin making the Paris Stich hat. I am starting with the magic circle. Then the first row I am going to make a chain 3 and 11 double crochet. A double crochet is yarn over hook. Insert the hook in the magic circle, bring up a loop. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Now go through 2 loops, then grab the yarn again, go through the remaining 2 loops. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 double crochet. Most of the Paris Stich patterns call for multiple of 3 plus 4. So I am going in the round. I am making only the multiple of 3 in the round. 1 and 2 double crochet in the first stitch, then 1 double crochet in the next. No, every stitch has 2 double crochet. So in this second round we will have 24 double crochet. Once you finish the 24 double crochet, we meet again. Now we finish the 24 double crochet. I'm going to slip stitch the top of the chain 3. In the next round I am going to make 2 double crochet in the same stitch and going to make 1 double crochet in each of the next 1 double crochet in the next stitch. So at the end of this round we have 36 double crochet. 2 double crochet in one, then the next one is just 1 double crochet. So finish the 36 double crochets in the, this round, and we will meet again. Now my crown portion, this one reach 4 inches in diameter. This will be enough for a newborn baby. So let us start making the Paris Stich pattern. So the first round of the pattern we make chain 3, which I am going to consider as one double crochet. Then the same stitch I am going to make 1 more double crochet. Then I am going to chain 2, then 1 single crochet in the same space. Now we are going to skip the next 2 stitches and make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2 double crochet, then chain 2 and a single crochet. Skip the next 2 stitches, make 1 more cluster of 2 double crochet, chain 2 and a single crochet. Again skip 2, make 1 more cluster. Repeat the pattern until we reach the end where we have left 2 more stitches. That is, 1 we finish here, then the 2 stitches left. Okay. if we are finishing this one, then we have left only 2 stitches, then it is the beginning. So we are going to slip stitch to the top of that chain 3. Now I am going to slip stitch to the next double crochet, then going into the chain 2 space with the slip stitch, then chain 3. We are repeating the pattern, 1 more double crochet, then chain 2 and a single crochet. Two double crochet, chain 2, 1 single crochet in each of the chain 2 spaces. This is very easy, just 1 row repeat. I'm using only one color to make this hat. I'm trying to make the height reach up to 5.5 inches. That is enough for a newborn. And once we reach the height about 5 inches or 5.5 inches, we will meet again. Now the hat height is approximately 5.5 inches. Now let us start making an edging for it. Since it is 5.5 inches height, I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 3, then chain 1, make a single crochet in each of the stitches. So 2 single crochet in the chain 2 space and 1 single crochet on the single crochet of the previous round, then 1 single crochet on each of the 2 double crochets, then 2 single crochets into chain 1 space, chain 2 space, and then 1 single crochet. Finish this in this manner. Now that single crochet round is finished and we slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet. It looks nice. Guess we are done with that. Now we can cut the yarn and weave the yarn tail, and we are done with this. I made a length of chain. Now I'm going to attach my yarn needle to the end here, the beginning end. Then I'm going to just weave it in and out. Doesn't matter if it goes in the same row or it goes a little up and down. Made at the beginning, you just tie a double knot and cut the yarn tails to leave it a little bit there. Now it looks a nice one. Nice hat, nice texture, and a nice lace edging too. If you like this pattern, please like and subscribe to my channel. We will meet again with another pattern in next time. Till then, bye bye.